Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to connect Hulu to Chromecast. Quick, simple, and step-by-step. Let's dive in. Step 1. Make sure your Chromecast and mobile device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Open the Hulu app on your phone or tablet. If you don't have it yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play and sign into your account. Step 3. Tap the cast icon in the top right corner of the Hulu app. Step 4. From the list, select your Chromecast device. Once connected, the cast icon will change color, showing it's active. Step 5. Choose any show or movie you want to watch. It'll instantly start playing on your TV through Chromecast. That's it. You've successfully connected Hulu to Chromecast and can now enjoy streaming on the big screen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more quick tech guides.